help you how to earn money on Club Penguin. First, you need to download Chatting In 5.3 on Google or something. Now, when you download it, you have to click that little computer, then Window List, and find Club Penguin. Here it is, Club Penguin. Press OK. Okay, now just put it down and don't exit it. Now go to Club Penguin. Okay. Town doesn't matter. Go to whatever town. Okay. Now you have to go play Hydro Hopper. Here. Okay. Play first level normally. Make sure you don't lose any lives. Okay, now hold on. See the score? 137. Now, times that by 8. 137 times 8 equals 1096. Go to Chatting In and type in value 1096. Then press Thirst Scan. Okay, now put that down and play second level normally. Okay, score is 317. Times that by 8. 2,536. Go to Chatting In and type in the value. 2,536. Then press Next Scan. See the little number? Press 2 times. You have it here. Then go right click. Then change record. Then value. Type in 100,000 and play OK. Put that down and continue playing. Can you see the score? Now lose all your lives and you get more money. Okay. That's my money. That's how you hack.